Oh man, some wrinkles on this one. Just gonna have to clean it up with the airbrush. Uh-oh. Ouch. See what I mean, guys? This is yucky. See, okay, people, here you have it. The first side. Well, this is the right side. I think it looks good. Now, it looks good from afar, but when you get a little closer, you see some of my flaws here. What we'll do is get some a heating gun and straighten out all the bubbles. The G looks okay. I've got a little bit of stretches there that are not so good, and then I've got a bubble there. And when you're doing this, you just gotta be a little careful with the rivets, but we'll clean that out also with our fingertips and basically a razor, and we'll use a heating gun as well. But I think it looks amazing. This was the color I was going for with the silver and black, and it's just supposed to match the color scheme we have on the airplane itself. You see the black highlights on there. So there's gonna be more of this all around. You guys just wait for the finished airplane, but which is what we're working on right now. So this part is done, and I'll be moving to the other side shortly. But I think I'm gonna end the video here because it takes me more time than I thought to actually finish this out.